thank you for clicking this video. So this is special unboxing, and yes, I really didn't know this was coming. Yeah, this was so random in the middle of the month. Actually, it's been like almost like 2 or 3 months already. I haven't bought any Happy Meal, and yes, I'm a collector, but I didn't collect everything. I only collect the cute one that I like, and then suddenly today it was unexpected for me to open my. I have a group on Facebook. It's a Macdonald Happy Meal team, and there is a whole Malaysia, not whole Malaysia lah. And then I suddenly like click on the post, and I was like, eh, Minion. I was like, and then a huge Minion, the name lah, and then it's like randomly, and then I thought it was from overseas. I thought they are buy from the overseas, and then I was just simply like scrolling, and then until I reached like 49.90, and people queuing, and then like show the number, and then like I was like, oh my god, it was here, and then I was like, and then scroll on the post, like, and then yeah, I immediately turn off my phone. I was walking today, and I run as fast as I can to McDonald because my break time was almost over, and I was like, oh my god, I need to get one. And when I reached McDonald, and then all the stuff like, oh my god, why are you running? My break almost over, and then I'm thankful because there are no people queuing. It's like 2 p.m. something, 2:30 p.m. something, and then I queue, and then I just reached, and I got it, and I got this without thinking anything. I just buy it, and I think it's like the price is 49. I still keep the receipt here. Wow, this is a very long intro. And yeah, here you go. 49 ringgit, 49, yeah. And yeah, well, I didn't eat anything, so I ate on chicken ayam spicy one, and yeah, I literally spent 65 ringgit. It's really worth a 1 or 2 month Happy Meal, but never mind. It's Minion, guys. And yes, I'm a big fan of Minion. I really love Minion. You know, the last year one that, yes, this one that like the 35 design, right? Like 6 design a week. Yep, I collected, and with the gold thing. Yeah, guys. So without thinking much, and here we go. I got mine. So this is gonna be really special. So let's open this together. It's cute. So the box is, let me just open the plastic first. It's really big, guys. It's really huge. Here's my figure. And yes, I really hold myself not to open this.
No, I'm buying for myself. Here we go.
This is Bob Illumination. The box. What is compile? And yep, this is really. Look at this kitty! Oh my god! Yep, Bob is. I really like Bob, my favorite character. And yes, let's open this. Oh. Unboxing also already 6 minutes, but I'm gonna find it. Look at this! Kawaii. Oh, that's that empty box. This gonna keep this box here. And ta-da! Wait. The eyes. Oh yeah, Bob eyes is like that. Oh, they're wearing the Jackie Chan outfit, right? Here we go. Oh my god, the bear. Look at this, the bear. So that you can put what you can put in here, like no, the cup one. So yeah, how this is the handle. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is how it look like. So cute! Oh my gosh! So cute, guys! Oh my gosh! Dang. So Bob eyes was like that, and this is teddy bear. Wait, how to? Oh! Ta-da! So you can put. Oh, this is look terrifying. Look at it. So this one's inside, and yeah, you can put your anything here, hidden money or my phone also can. Yep. Ta-da! And just like that. Hidden money. So that's all. This limited is only start today until 30 November, but if please go buy if you are like Minion or you are a collector of Minion. And oh my gosh, my phone. And so that's all. Thank you for watching till here. Go buy yours now. Go grab it before it's sold out. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Oh, the box for it.